a glare on my glasses. So sorry. There you are, a little bit. If I turn this way, if I look this way, and I don't move. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and I am so happy that you're here. If you're new, welcome. If you've come back, hi. Today's flip is this guy. This is an Empire dresser. Actually ended up paying $20 for it. It was in bad shape. Not anymore. So it was such a dream and a pleasure to work on. Even this curve, you know, I'm not a fan of curves and having to sand it. And it was a lot of work, but I think it was work well worth it. So with that, let's get into the video. One wheel had fallen off, so I decided, you know, I would just take all of them off and replace them with some new wood wheels that I got on Amazon, because that's the style for the Empire dresser. Okay, so this is round 2 of the stripper. There was a lot of layers but it's looking really good. When it starts looking like that underneath your plastic, you know it's doing its job. Alright, I'm gonna scrape all of this first. Oh, do you see that? Ew, that's like when skin peels. That's so gross, but it's so good. Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of stripper. Not that I like doing it, I still don't like doing it. It's chemicals and I don't like it, but that was amazing. That just literally peeled off like a dream. Oh my goodness, it's so nice. So I had a plan, right? Best laid plans and all that for this dresser, and I was going to paint the whole thing, but now that I have uncovered this wood under the paint, I cannot paint over it. It is so pretty, and I don't want to cover it up. It's in really good condition. I just probably need to give it a light sand, re-stain it, give it a poly, and it's going to look beautiful. So it was at this point where I totally caved and I went and bought myself a mouse sander. You guys have seen it in some other videos before this video, but this is the point where I caved with all this sanding that I had to do for these drawers. Okie dokie. So I'm finally done prepping this piece. What I need to do now, what I'm going to do now, go in with my Dixie Belle Boss in clear. I'm going to paint the whole thing over, except for the drawers, which I'm going to stain. They've come up a treat. That's the top drawer, which is so pretty. I haven't bought the paint. I'm buying it tomorrow. I will show you guys just before I paint it what color I picked. Alright, let's get started. Follow the instructions. Get rid of any loose paint, peeling paint, all that sort of stuff, which I already did all of that. Stir thoroughly and occasionally to make sure that nothing settles, and then apply with a brush. And I'm going to let it sit for a couple of hours. While I'm letting that dry, we're going to stain these guys. Using my trusty old Min-Wax espresso. My stockist today and I ended up buying Driftwood. I'm so excited about this colour. I'm painting my coat, my first coat at 9 o'clock at night. And I'm using my vintage tonality. I think I called it totality once. Tonality. Right. I'm excited. Guys. I love the color. The coverage is so beautiful. You see my little test? I was going to do a cream, but I changed my mind. I went with grey. Oh my word, I almost dropped this brush on my good pants. Why am I painting in my good pants? I should have my painting pants on. I'm going to do 2 coats of the Driftwood, so I need to come back in and do a second coat, see what that looks like. I'll probably do touch-ups if I need to. Then I will distress it, just a smidge, just a little on some of the curves and edgings and that sort of stuff. Then I'm going to seal everything in Gator hide, and I finally got paint on my good pants. I've worn these so many times and not got paint on them. I got paint on them tonight. Maybe it'll come off. Probably not. Alright, I'm going to bed. Good night. See that? Okay. Love it. A lot of work. Aren't all of the pieces a lot of work? They really are. But I love it. It's work that I love to do. It's turned out really lovely. I thought I was gonna have to put handles. I didn't realize, right? It had the little cutouts, but I was so relieved when I found that because I didn't want to figure out how to put handles, and I have seen other people do that. They've put handles in this, and it's just given the face of it a completely different look, and I didn't want it to look that way, so I'm really pleased And of course the designer, the person who did this, thought of that. So next week's piece is a special dresser for a special client. So I hope you guys tune in for that. It was a delight to do, and I love this client so much. She means the world to me, and I was really pleased that she let me do something for her room. So I hope to see you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be amazing. It would help out my channel, and hit those notifications so you get notifications when I upload, which is every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern. Thanks guys. See you then. Bye.